Well, talking about war dance, I want to take a clip where when you were already in Kampala for the MDD, the students were lying on this papyrus mat. It was a little bit sad, despite having that NGO. And also, I believe there were leaders by that time who would have opted to help. So what was the major challenge behind securing the mattress?
The major challenge behind securing the mattress, if a school is going the name of the district, but then the school has got to prepare a lot. And arising from the insurgency, the school could not afford the mattress, and the district had also no plan to secure it for us. And then we even informed our member of parliament at that time, Honorable Professor Ganda Tigo was our MP, and really that one wasn't taken seriously. Although he came and then shared with the choristers, and then also at moment to take the chorister to
the parliament.
To the parliament.